Hey traders, welcome to 𝗘𝗃𝗍𝗆's weekly Forex Forecast. As usual, we will start with dollar index, DXY, we will cover few majors along with US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The time frame that we are using here is 4 hours. So all of you who are new to 𝗘𝗃𝗍𝗆's channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, for this one, we were expecting market to give us a complete corrective structure and then another push up. Instead, we've got this drop. So no complete structure to us or buy setup. In all the cases, we're waiting market to push up to go for sell setups. We've got this drop. So, after this down wave, market gave us a pullback and then another drop. So what next, Alan? Let me explain. Do not forget, here we are at the top of an uptrend, which means anytime market can start to drop to make a big corrective structure or to start a downtrend. Now, with this drop, this pullback, and this drop to break this low, this is a downtrend. Alright guys, for most of retail traders, this is a downtrend, and it is. While those of you who don't know what is a downtrend, you need a low, you need a lower high, and you need a lower low to confirm a downtrend. And I'm telling you guys, a lot of retail traders, they don't know the difference between a downtrend, or one wave, or structure, or even a pattern. Anyway, what next for this one? Looks like market will correct here, one will push down, and then the up wave. This is what we can see next. What to do? If you are in the sell, you move your stops and let market unfold. If we get a corrective structure, one more drop, you look for your buy setups. Wait market to break this low, and then you look for your buy setups. Now, can this one go all the way up from here? Yes, it can. If that happens, you leave it. If you wanna go for it, you go for it. For us, it will be better if market will break this low and this low before we start to move up. Alright guys, the structure started to be more complex, but this is what we can see next for the DXY. And regarding an uptrend, you cannot confirm that market is in an uptrend before you break this top, which means you have a high, you have higher low, and you have higher high. As soon as you get a higher high here, this is where we can say we are in an uptrend. Make sense? Euro dollar for this one, you know that we're biased to the downside since the past few weeks. Last week we were expecting market to give us a complete corrective structure, one more drop, and then the up wave. Instead, we've got this up move, market gave us a small corrective structure here, and then it went back up. After this up wave, we've got a pullback, and up move. Is this something familiar to us? Yes, it is. What next? We are expecting market to give us a corrective structure here, one will push up, and then the fall. So for euro dollar, we are waiting for our sell setups, and this is the wave that we are looking for. It will be better guys if you wait market to go up above this top and then you look for your sell setups. Remember, do not jump in. Wait for your sell setups before you get in guys. If for any reason dollar will fall, your dollar will be shooting up like crazy. This is not something that we are expecting, but just be aware that this might happen. And that's why do not jump in, do not over risk and overtrade, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to your losing position. These are our 4 golden rules guys. Every time you are going to take the next trade, review them. Now those of you who are serious about trading and wants to learn how to trade correctly, we have started accepting payments for our June 2022 Masterclass course. And in this course guys, we will be sharing our new special strategy that allows you to double your account in only 3 trades using minimal risk. And this is the first time we will be sharing this strategy and plan with our masterclass members. And to not take time explaining about all the other topics here, I have allocated guys few minutes at the end of the video to explain you about every single topic one by one. And just to let you know, we have limited places for this course. So all of you who are interested, keep watching till the end to know more. Now your success guys in trading depends first on your learning. So I highly recommend you guys to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. And just to give you a small hint here, if you think that your learning costs is a loss, you are already lost. Because the best investment you can ever make is to invest in yourself. And learning from the right mentors and being with like-minded people, being with a great and professional community is a must. Now why we trade waves? Do a small search about us. We are the best. And this based guys on more than 450 reviews on Trustpilot and on a lot of video feedbacks sent from our private Slack group members. We know that you are struggling to succeed, hence we have formulated our special trading courses to help you become an independent, successful trader. So don't miss out our Masterclass June course. It will be crazy. Pound dollar for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. We were expecting the market to give us one more drop before the up wave. Instead, we've got this up move. And the invalidation for this structure was here. So after this up wave, market continued to the upside, sharp. Anyway, we've got this drop, this up wave. Is this a common structure? Yes, it is. So looks like we'll get a corrective structure here, one to push up, and then the fall. It's up to you if you wanna go for this wave, or you wanna wait market to go up and break this top, and you look for your sell setups. For us, the sell setup is better, and this will be part of the corrective structure. What is the corrective structure? It's an expansion. This is how we can see market will behave next. Now, is this one of the trades of the week? What are the levels where you can take action from? Can pound dollar fall all the way to break this low once more? All of this will be explained in details guys by T on Sunday session. To get access to our Sunday and Wednesday live sessions, you have to subscribe to our premium analysis service. All the details are in the description under this video or on our website. Aussie dollar for this one, most of you know that we were bearish for Aussie dollar on April, and this was the trade of the month to the downside. And Aussie dollar was falling like crazy. After this drop, we've got this up wave and this fall. Corrective structure here, another drop. After this drop, market started to push up. We've got a corrective structure, one will push up. What next? Looks like market will go to the downside and then another push up. Or it will give us a corrective structure, one will push up and then the fall. So what next, Alan? Looks like this is a complex structure to me. Yes, it is. You wait market to go above this top and you look for your sell setups. If there is any change of structure, if the market will make any other wave, we will update you. So for now, the best case scenario, wait market to go above this top and you look for your sell setups, do not jump in. If market will make any other wave, you leave it. Or else, we'll update you during our live sessions. Dollar yen for this one, this was the top here, market dropped, it gave us a corrective structure. It went back down. After this drop, we've got a correction. A lot of our traders, they sold from here. Those who are trading dollar yen. After that, we've got this drop. What next? Looks like we are getting a corrective structure for another fall. This fall, guys, it might be sharp and deeper than that. But under this low, you start to look for your buy setups. Why is that? Because under this low, we are expecting market to start a big corrective structure. If dollar yen will start to fall hard, the next stop will be at 115 levels. Why this level? Market makers, they have a lot of orders sitting there. New Zealand dollar for this one, if you are in the buy, you keep moving your stops. If not, you wait. Looks like market will correct here, one will push up, and then the fall. wait for market to give you a corrective structure. It's up to you if you wanna buy this one or not. We suggest you wait market to go above this top, and then you look for sell setups if you wanna look for sell setups. Now, those of you are thinking, Alan, this is an uptrend. Why you are looking for this drop? Guys, this is wave analysis. And to succeed in trading, you don't have to be most traders. How to achieve that? Learn how to trade correctly. From who? From the right mentors and from those who have reputation and proof. I'm not pushing you guys to take our course. You know that we have limited places. I'm just explaining you what to do. Once you get the knowledge, no one can take it from you. You will start to build experience that can stay with you for your whole life. So just imagine learning how to make money. And it's doable. We have a lot of success stories. Go to our website, testimonials page, and you will see that. I hope this is clear for all of you. Anyway, New Zealand dollar, this is what we are expecting next. Pound yen, if you are in the sell, you move your stops and do not take profits. A lot of us were in this sell. Personally, I took this sell here. After that, we've got a corrective structure, one more drop, up wave, this corrective structure, and this up move. Now, inside this one, more than one possibility. This might be the whole structure or part of it. In all the cases, next for this one, a corrective structure. What to do? You leave it for now and you focus on other pairs. If this will be going up correctively to break this top, you look for sell setups. Otherwise, you leave it. If yen pairs will start to fall, this will fall again. If the structure or the pattern or we have any setup that might appear next week, we will update you during Wednesday live session. To get access to our Wednesday live sessions, you have to subscribe to our premium analysis service. USOIL for this one, I really hope all of you trade USOIL, get in the sell, and made money with this down wave. And our premium analysis service members, you must remember 105 level. So this was the trade, this was the move, and market dropped. After that, we've got this up wave, and market will correct here. So if you are not in, you leave it, you wait for our instructions, and then you go for the next trade. Or else, wait market to give you a corrective structure here, a complete one, and look for your sell setup. And market needs to give us more waves in order to go for the next trade. This was the trade, and this was the move last week. And I really hope a lot of you get in the sell and made money. Gold for this one, this was also amazing. A lot of traders got in the buy from here. Market went up, it gave us this corrective structure, it went back up. And also a lot were selling here, so you must be able to make money in this drop and in this up wave as well. What next? Looks like market will correct, one will push up, and then the fall. If that happens, wait market to go above this top and you look for your sell setups if you are biased to the downside. Now, market might push higher, so if you are biased to the upside, you must be already in the buy. Or wait market to give you a corrective structure, you get in the buy, and you manage your trades. Make sense? This depends on your bias and what wave you like to trade. You can go for this up wave or you can go for this drop. Do not jump in above this top. Now, let me explain you one thing here. Even with one wave, you can make ton of money because we tend to give you short-term trades for the next 2 to 3 days. And those of you who are new to WeTradeWaves channel, I want you guys to go and check the Trades of the Week playlist on our channel. I'll put a link in the description under this video. You go and you check it. How we cover the Trades of the Week and how market usually move after that. So, is gold one of our Trades of the Week? What levels we might look for? All of this will be covered in details by T on Sunday session. Dollar CAD for this one, this was crazy. I don't want to repeat this up wave, guys, and this trade. From here, market started to fall. At this level, we're expecting market to push up because we're looking at an expansion here for one push up. Market went up, and then after this up wave, we've got this drop. So this expansion gets invalid here, under this low. After that, we've got a corrective structure, one more drop. What next? Looks like market will correct, one more drop, and then up wave. Or it can go all the way up from these levels. What to do? You look for your buy setups. Market has to give us an up wave as a corrective structure or as an impulsive wave. So for us, we will be focusing on our buy setups for dollar CAD. And remember guys, do not over risk or overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to your losing position. Every time you are going to take the next trade, if you follow our 4 golden rules, you will never ever break your trading account. Silver for this one, market went up, we've got this drop here, we've got this up wave, corrective structure. After this correction, market went up. This guys, it might be a complete structure of its own, which means we might get a corrective structure here, and then we'll update you. For now, we are looking for this wave for silver. After this drop, we will update you. Bitcoin, all of you are new to 𝗍𝗃𝗍𝗆 channel, go back guys and watch our previous video. I explained Bitcoin in details, what is the pattern, wave by wave, what is the bigger picture, and where are the next stops. So, after breaking 29, market is spending time here, which means we have a high probability chance of getting a big corrective structure for one more drop. The next stop will be between 24 and 20k levels. Guys, if Bitcoin will reach 20k, it might be the last time before it shoot up to 70k after that. This is not a trade call, this is analysis. Which means do not risk all your money, do not sell your house to buy Bitcoin, do not sell your car to buy Bitcoin, invest wisely. Risk only 10% of your account. Make sense? If Bitcoin will reach 20k, we will invest again. Now, Alan, can this one go all the way up from here like that? Yes, it can. So can we start to invest from here? Yes, you can start to invest from here, if you would like to do that. Me personally, I'm waiting 20k levels. FTSE or UKX, since we are getting guys a lot of emails regarding that, for this one, looks like market will be going down. And if you wanna go for the sell, make sure to risk small and you manage your trade. The bias for UKX is towards the downside. And by the way, we're going for every single wave here for this one. Now, all of you are waiting for our masterclass course. We have started accepting payments for June 2022 masterclass course. Remember, it's an interactive course with a lot of live and Q&A sessions. So let me explain you step by step. On the 6th of June, we will have our first live session as introduction to wave analysis and we trade waves concept. On the 7th of June, the second session will be uploaded to your dashboard regarding trends, fibs, market structure, what indicators we use, and why. Remember, all of this is linked to We Trade Waves concept. On the 8th of June, a very important topic will be covered about impulsive waves, structures, and patterns. On the 9th of June, the most important part about structures, it's corrective waves. We'll be covering corrective patterns and We Trade Waves patterns, because we also have our own unique patterns that we discovered. On the 10th of June, significance of fundamentals on waves and structures. So fundamentals have an impact. What news to look at? How to trade this one? What economic data? What economic indicators? How to combine it with wave analysis? This what will be discussed. On the 11th of June, we'll be covering order blocks, everything about it, everything about smart money concept, how to combine it with We Trade Waves methodology. We will explain you about price levels and trade timings. A very important topic. On the 12th of June, psychology and why is it so important. And guys, I think all of you know that psychology is a big part in trading. And that's why we try to build your psychology and explain you about the successful trader mindset. On the 13th of June, we will be covering WeTradeWaves Strategy 1, Risk Management, Money Management, and Trade Management. And the strategy guides will include how to enter, when to enter, where to put stop loss, where to take profits, and how to manage the trade. Alright? Now on the 20th of June, we will have a live session to explain you about WeTradeWaves Strategy 2 and 3 in details and the overall concept in action. Which means live on the chart, we will show you examples, how to act, and how to react. And in all our live sessions, you can ask us questions live. On the 22nd of June, we will have a live session explaining you our Strategy 4, and on top of that, in this course, we'll be sharing our new special strategy that allows you to double your account in only 3 trades using minimal risk. And this is the first time we'll be sharing this strategy and plan with our Masterclass members. On the 24th of June, we'll have a live Q&A session in the trading room to show you how to trade and to take all your questions. On the 27th of June, we will have a live Q&A session post-course completion to take any more questions you might have after you review all the topics. Now, after we finish all of this, we will have practical sessions. What are the practical sessions? They are live sessions where you will share your screen and analyze your charts to see if you really understood the concept. These practical group live sessions are very important because you will learn a lot from them and will speed up your understanding of WeTradeWaves concept. More live Q&A sessions will be conducted for Masterclass Course members. If at any time in the future you feel that you need one-on-one session with one of the mentors or seniors, we will be more than happy to give it to you. And after you finish all of this, a certificate will be issued to you upon request. I really hope guys this is clear regarding Masterclass course topics. Now regarding private Slack group membership, on the 1st of June, you can sign up for the private Slack group membership from inside your Masterclass dashboard if you wish to be part of the Slack. So the private Slack membership is an option only for those who will take the Masterclass course. What are the benefits of the Slack membership? These are the benefits. Please read it guys. I don't want to make this explanation too long. If you have any questions, please refer to the FAQ section at the bottom of the Masterclass page. And if you still have any query, send us an email at info@wetradewaves.com and one of our team members will reply to you. With all of this, I want you to remember that the best investment you can ever make is to invest in yourself. Trading is amazing. We enjoy it, our traders are enjoying it, and you all can succeed. But learn how to trade correctly first and then risk your money. Don't be most traders. To speed up your success in trading, you have to surround yourself with like-minded people who can push you to do better. And we can do that. We are number 1. All of you know that. Don't take my words for it. Go to our testimonials page and see what our traders are saying about WeTradeWaves. Don't miss this opportunity. We have limited places for this course.
Hello everyone, this is Edward from the WeTradeWaves family, checking in from the United States. A little about me, I was blessed to have a YouTube algorithm point me in the direction of Alan's weekly Forex Forecast. I was very impressed with his accuracy, so I joined T for his Sunday sessions. From there, I joined their March course and later upgraded to the June course. I have absolutely no regrets. By far my favorite part is the community. Being able to bounce ideas off each other daily, as well as nothing but positive vibes to help keep you motivated. My challenge for you would be to go back and watch their YouTube forecasts. Go back 1, 2, 3 months, and then go to the chart and backtest their analysis. They have nothing to hide. Prove to yourself that this course is a worthwhile endeavor. If that sounds like too much work for you, this course might not be for you. This community is not a signal service. It's knowledge, and it takes time, effort, and patience to obtain. But in the end, the reward is confidence and the ability to become a successful, independent trader.
With that note, guys, you trade with care, do not over-risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.